I'm giving you the cold shoulder, knowing you wanted me closer. Continue tying me when I'm not your baby. This boy be undependable. No fee waste time, pull up to my show. See me now, do you?
Hey guys, welcome to another video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. This time we're sponsored by LEOSA Hair. Thank you again for collabing with me and sending me this cute drawstring ponytail. 28 inches of fun, you guys. Yes, get into it, get into it. Make sure you click that link in the description below to grab this. It's definitely way affordable, and you know the drill. Here's all the things that you'll need to perfect this style, which is also going to be in the description below if you don't feel like just watching all of this. So what you're going to do first is part your hair in the middle, and then you're going to make two little small parts to start off your two braids. I did not wash my hair before this style. I just took it out from my last style. I believe it was a wig. I don't really remember. I'm switching up my hair too much. I don't even know. But so the whole key is to get two braids, two small braids in the middle, and you have to make sure that the parts are like straight. So if you really are not good at parting, I do suggest to use some shine jam. So as you can see, I got the parts ready, and then I put a little bit of shine jam on both sides, and then I start braiding. It was a little bit easier for me to braid each braid because my hair was already oily. I put in some, what did I put in? I don't even remember. But I did put in oil while I had my hair in braids, so it was just easier to grab everything. The braid doesn't have to be so perfect, but it does have to be tight. Now on to the second one. Yeah. I'm just gonna be quiet and let you guys watch this. Okay, so next we're gonna do the squares for the rubber band style. Now this type of style is very popular on TikTok. This is actually where I got the idea from. Here's a disclaimer. I know some of my ladies think that this whole rubber band twist style is only for like younger girls or whatever, but let me tell you, when I went to work with this hairstyle, and I said the whole office was complimenting me, like the whole office was complimenting me. And honestly, I just think doing these styles are just cool. They're very different, intricate, and you know, I don't know, I just like having a little style on my hair. And I just thought it would look cool with the ponytail because, you know, girls our age, we really just go into the regular slick down ponytail, and it's just like, where's your fun in these hairstyles anymore? So you're gonna make sure you have squares. I didn't really care about evening all the squares out. I believe you put 3 squares, and then you just twist your hair and then rubber band it to the next square, and then onto the next one. So more in detail, I'm rubber banding the front first, making sure it's tight and secure, trying to make sure that I'm not tying in any of the strayaways from the other square. And then you're gonna twist counterclockwise. Yeah, you're gonna twist counterclockwise. You honestly could twist it whatever way you want, but for my texture hair, and if you have the same texture hair, which I believe is 4A, 3C, don't quote me, but yeah, twist it and then rubber band it into the next square, tighten it, and then when you connect it, you're done. So right now I'm just spraying in water because I'm going to gel my hair. And I found this trick really great, especially for my naturalistas, because when you water your hair and you put gel, it definitely helps slick it down way more. So we're using Ecostyle Gel. Shout out, sponsor me one day if you ever see this. But then you're gonna take some of your edges out. You're gonna take a hard brush and brush it back. Make sure that it's secured. So I get some of that baby hair out. Just wait on it. Okay, and then you're gonna basically put the ponytail high up to where, you know, it's comfortable for you. So I like my ponytail just like at the peak of my head, you can say. And yeah, just make sure that your ponytail is secure. You see me struggling, you guys. Oh my gosh. It's the hair is too thick. Oh my gosh. Me watching me do this is just so funny. Okay. Alright, so we got it. We're slicked down. And then you're basically just gonna twist the hair into a bun. I don't know why I didn't record that part, but I think if you go on my TikTok, I recorded that part. So then you're just gonna take a rattle comb and just comb all the flyaways. You can use Got2Be Spray to basically slick all of that down. Then you're gonna take a headscarf and just slick it out for a little minute. Then you're gonna take the ponytail and take the headscarf off because I don't know, I can't see myself doing it with a headscarf. And then you're gonna take the clip, put it on the top, take the drawstring, make sure you pull it and secure it to where it's comfortable. And I know my girls that wear drawstrings, if you can relate, definitely comment below. Have you ever like tightened it so much to where it's just so uncomfortable? Okay, so make sure that you pin it. And then you're gonna take a piece of the hair and then wrap it around just to cover, you know, the drawstring if it's like sticking out, and just to make it look pretty. Then you're gonna take a pin and secure that ponytail. Then you're gonna fluff it out. I love that this ponytail was already like curled. It's just so cute. You didn't have to do anything. Onto the baby hairs. You guys know I like to do my baby hairs in waves. I definitely said in one video that I was gonna do like a baby hair tutorial and like try out new ones, but I lied. I'm not gonna do it. Baby hairs. Oh, okay, let me say, maybe one day I'll do it, but it's just gonna take me some time because these girls in these baby hair, they do a lot. And this is the finished look. So fun, so cute, very quick. This only took me like 30 minutes or less to do. Yes, it's so bouncy. You can't even tell that it's like 28 inches. So cute. Alright, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.